Hey guys, today's video we are going to be talking about One UI 7.0 battery drain problem. So, a lot of people are reporting that after upgrading to One UI 7.0 they are having some moderate to severe battery drain problems. In fact, here's one comment I got on one of my videos. It says, for God's sake, please address the battery drain people are having since the One UI 7.0 update. And it's got 67 likes. So, that means a lot of people are in fact having this problem. Now, I wasn't aware if there was a solution to this problem or not. However, there is a response to this comment where somebody said that they have an S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra, and after following a specific procedure, their battery drain was in fact resolved. But I also want to mention that I do have an unlocked S25 Ultra and the S24 Ultra, and I was not having any specific battery drain problems. But what we are going to do is we are going to show you what the other person did to fix their drain, and also I'm going to show you guys a couple things to do on top of that to see if it resolves the problem. So, first let me show you a couple of settings you can tweak on your phone that may or may not address the problem, and then I'm going to show you guys what this person did which he says resolved their problem. Let's dive in. I want you guys to drop a comment down below and let me know if it worked for you. Obviously, it is going to take a couple days. Alright guys, that's about it for this video. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below.